Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm ready to share with you a faith-based project that I have been working on. And this is a prayer stamp camp. So it incorporates a couple of kind of larger projects. And so let me show you the projects and what you're going to get with it. So let me show you the cards first. So this little box is a giftable box. And inside here, you will find 6 note cards and envelopes. So you get all the prepared supplies for this. I will do all the die cutting and everything for you. And then you will just use your designer series paper to complete the note cards. And of course, the note cards come with envelopes. I'm going to give you everything to make 6, and then I'm going to give you 6 blank ones as well, so you can make another set using whatever you want, because you'll have enough paper. Okay, so that is the box, and of course you will get the tutorials and the measurements and everything to create the box and the prayer journal. So the prayer journal comes with everything you need to make it, including the printables. So the printables, whoopsie, my lid came off. I will give you this printable here. Now this is die. I figured you might want to put your name here, or to whomever you're going to gift this to. With Mother's Day coming up, this would make a really nice Mother's Day gift. We're using this, I think it's called Floral Blooms, the paper with the sticker sheet. So you're going to be using the sticker sheet throughout this project, and that way you have everything you need ready to go. Now these printables I'm going to include for you that are done on the strawberry slush paper, but not the ones. I'm going to give you the printable for these little prayers that I've put together, just some kind of general prayer prompts for you that might be helpful. And these are all little pockets that you're going to create. And then I've shown you kind of if you want to put 3x5 cards in here, which work really well. This is just notebook paper that I've kind of chopped up because you might want to have some lists in there as well. And so when you use all of your stickers, this is about what you'll have left over. But these are super easy to put together. So your prayer journal is actually a non-stamping project. Your stamping is here in your note cards. Now, I used this stamp set, Prayers and Promises, which you can add on if you wish. I highly recommend it. Has some great things in there. Let me tuck all this back in to show you how the little lid works. And of course, these are all stickers from your sticker sheet as well. So they're really handy and easy to use. You will get a package of the In Color Pearls, which remain active. You can see I've used the heck out of mine. You will get a roll of the Secret C ribbon. If this sells out, there's another Secret C ribbon, but I actually prefer this one. And then, of course, you're going to get all of the PDF instructions, the tutorials, everything. And I also have a couple of little gifts that I'm including with this. Little faith-based gifts to kind of round this out. Now, I do also have an add-on class if you're interested. So I made this super, super affordable. Again, because, well, anyway, if you're already taking the class, I don't have to add, if you're already taking the stamp camp, I don't have to add shipping. So this does include your shipping, so the stamp camp. And it's $58 all inclusive. I think it's a great buy. The add-on class features the Blessed Beginnings. Now, you may already have this. You're welcome to add it on. I do feel like if you are a faith person, this is kind of an essential one. These words you can use in a multitude of ways, having just the classic church stamp and some trees having the little cross separate. The dies are really useful as well. So what I've done is I created 2 each of 3 designs. And one of these, you're going to use the paper from the Stamp Camp. And then the other one, I'm going to give you some of the new wood grain paper. I think it's called, I don't know, wood. So this is your fun fold, and it is also a gift card holder. So this is, you can see, it's the same card in 2 different ways with the 2 different designer papers. So this is the one that you will do for including the paper from your Stamp Camp, and then this is the one you'll use, the paper that I'm including with the add-on class. And then this one as well, again, this is the one using the paper from your Stamp Camp, and this is the paper from the add-on class. So you'll get 3 sheets of this wood grain paper, and you'll get these pearls here to go with these cards. And there's your 6 envelopes, and you'll get everything prepped and ready for you, and that is $18 as an add-on. So, of course, you can add on the stamp sets. One other thing, for everything in this class, I used the early espresso on these cards. All the cards that go with the paper from the Stamp Camp, I used Secret C. Those are the only inks I used on everything, except for I did add some ink with blending brushes on some of these flowers. So I'm thinking many of us already have the in colors. And so the nice thing about this paper is that, and this is Petunia Pop on here, this paper uses quite a few of the outgoing in colors as well as the in colors that remain for another year. So I'm thinking many of us already have those colors. So that is it. Again, the whole Stamp Camp is $58. That includes your shipping. The add-on class is $18, does not include the stamps. You can add them on if you wish. I think it's a really fun class. And it is a Stamp Camp, so it's a little bit more involved than a typical class, which is why I call it a camp. So this is designed to be, completed in about, a couple of hours, maybe the better part of a day. I will tell you that the journal comes together really fast, partly because, you will have to cut the paper, but you have all these stickers, so they come together really, really quickly. Now, I did take it to the Lord in prayer. Let me show you one more thing. I had this hymn going on in the background when I first started, and I realized my YouTube wasn't going to keep playing it. So I did put in here the words from the first, I think, 2 verses. What a friend we have in Jesus, all our sins and griefs to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. Oh, what needless pain we bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. Have we trials and temptations? Is there trouble anywhere? We should never be discouraged. Take it to the Lord in prayer. My hope is by offering this right after the Easter holiday weekend, that we can kind of capitalize on that fresh focus on our spiritual life. And maybe this will be the thing that kind of helps you refocus on your prayer life. Maybe this will be something that is just a pretty and creative way to sit down in the morning or the evening, whatever is a better time for you to pray, and use my prayer prompts to kind of get you going, and then have these in here for your lists of particular people that you're going to be praying for. And I hope that this will be a great blessing to you. I figured you'd also want to send some cards to the people that you're praying for, and then that is also extended into the add-on class. Thanks again for your consideration. Take care, and God bless.